Plant FAQs, Caladium White Christmas. The alluring allure of the Caladium White Christmas, a plant parent's guide. Few houseplants can compete with the dramatic flair of the Caladium White Christmas. Its heart-shaped leaves boast a mesmerizing display of silvery white, punctuated by veins and edges of a deep, emerald green. It's a conversation starter, a burst of elegance in any indoor space, and surprisingly easy to care for. For the past year, I've been utterly captivated by my own Caladium White Christmas. It's become a cherished member of my urban jungle, and I've learned a thing or two about keeping this beauty happy and thriving. So, if you're considering welcoming a Caladium White Christmas into your home, then buckle up, plant parent. See more 19 species and genus Caladium at monsterholic.com. What is the Caladium White Christmas? The Caladium White Christmas, also known as the angel wings Caladium, is a tuberous perennial belonging to the Araceae family. Native to South America, it's prized for its stunning foliage. The heart-shaped leaves unfurl in a mesmerizing display of white, adorned with prominent green veins and edges. While it produces inconspicuous flowers in the summer, the true showstopper is the foliage. How to care for your Caladium White Christmas? Here's the good news. Caring for your Caladium White Christmas is relatively straightforward. Follow these simple tips, and your plant will reward you with vibrant, healthy growth. Light. Aim for bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. That's the sweet spot. Water. Consistent moisture is key, but don't drown your plant. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. During dormancy, winter, reduce watering significantly. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, fertile potting mix. A good mix for caladiums often contains perlite or cocoa coir for optimal drainage. Humidity. Caladiums appreciate some humidity. If your home is on the dry side, consider using a pebble tray filled with water or a humidifier. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your plant to sudden temperature fluctuations. How to plant your Caladium White Christmas. Planting your Caladium White Christmas is a breeze. Here's what you need to do. Choose the right pot. Select a pot with drainage holes slightly larger than the tuber. Prepare the soil. Fill the pot with your chosen well-draining potting mix. Planting the tuber. With the eyes, growth points, facing upwards, gently position the tuber about 1 to 2 inches deep in the soil. Watering. Water thoroughly until the water runs out the drainage holes. Placement tips. Caladium White Christmas thrives in brightly lit bathrooms or kitchens with indirect sunlight. It also does well in shaded areas of your living room or bedroom, provided it receives enough light. How to propagate your Caladium White Christmas. Sharing the beauty of your Caladium White Christmas is easy. Here's how to propagate it. Division. During dormancy, winter, carefully lift the tuber from the pot. Using a sharp, sterilized knife, divide the tuber into sections, ensuring each section has at least one eye. Plant each section in a separate pot following the planting instructions above. What to plant with your Caladium White Christmas. Caladium White Christmas pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants that have contrasting foliage colors. Here are some ideas. Ferns with their delicate, feathery fronds. Begonias with vibrant flowers and textured leaves. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes, for a pop of color. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema, for a touch of low-light tolerance. Final thoughts. The Caladium White Christmas is a stunning addition to any indoor space. Its vibrant foliage and ease of care make it a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. With a little love and attention, your Caladium White Christmas will thrive and bring a touch of the tropics indoors. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this beauty and witness its captivating allure for yourself.